When Totti came to our house, she was a lovely baby parrot. Some people said to us, parrots love to live in cages and they don't need a house or nest in their cages. We fed her and made a cage and trained her to learn how to eat food and drink water in the cage. After some times, I came to know that she is somehow unhappy in a cage and she had hard time sleeping there without a small nest. So we made a nest in her cage, but again, again, and again, she was not happy. Until we moved to a new house, I discovered that she had found a box and was trying to make it her own house. We helped her to make it by giving enough tissues, papers, and little boxes. From that time on, when the cage was removed from our house, Totti has been a happy bird, taking baths, sleeping on my feet, taking tours in the car,
Totti.
singing songs, and so on. In the next video, I'll show you how she has made her house with her own efforts.